What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about a position that I had the luxury of seeing grow from a $80,000 market cap to an almost $2 million market cap. Yes, it has come back since then, and we're still seeing it higher than where it started, but it has so much potential to run and so much potential to move as a meme coin, a memeability project. I feel like the team behind it is just so pure and transparent, and they love what they're doing. And I want to see them have more and more success. But the only issue that you deal with is a money issue, right? They're not taking any tax associated with this project. So it means that they don't really have a marketing, a consistent income that's coming in for marketing, meaning that they can put all this money towards listing on exchanges. While you have millions of dollars in volume and you grow up to a $2 million market cap, you can't collect anything from that besides just watch the hype and watch the attention and continue to build and gather more attention as time goes on. That's all you can ask for. That's all you can get because you don't have a tax associated with it. Because you created that security, because you didn't offer this tax, you don't have that overall funds or the flow of funds to support this in a larger way by listing on exchanges. That's the one thing that they want to do is list on more and more exchanges and be a part of so many different exchanges that are out there, whether they're tier 3, tier 2, tier 1, or hopefully S tier exchanges. That's what I'm standing on, right? So this position is Lucky's Lepercoin. I'm going to talk about this in this video. We're going to go through some of the information and we're going to talk about the team as well as, just talk about everything with it. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to get Lucky's Lepercoin, I will provide the links down below for Lucky's Lepercoin and the different places where you can purchase it. I will show you the different markets that are available as well. So definitely check that out. And don't forget my Margex link if you guys want to start trading with up to 100x margin on certain plays. Feel free to check that link out as well. But when we look at Lucky's Lepercoin currently, I don't know why it keeps going over. When we look at Lucky's Lepercoin currently, we're going to see it's at 79.06. It's up 21% in the last day. We're seeing that we're at a $566,000 market cap, and we see $304,000 worth of volume. The volume to market cap ratio, 53%. So it shows that it has popularity. It's just not enough popularity to continuously push it up to a whole nother level, right? So it is a meme play. It is something that has its value. It is something that can grow quite a bit. But you're looking at the self-reported circulating supply, which is the total supply of 711 billion coins or tokens. And if we look at the other information that comes with it, let's go and look at the amount of holders. You have 367 holders. So it's a good amount of holders that are within it. Obviously, you would like to see a lot more, but this is kind of the early stages of things. And as you get more exchanges, as you get more attention, as you get more traction, more people that are talking about it, you can see this thing push up to a whole nother level. Now, if we look at these holders that are here, there's no real red flags on holders. You have, the team finance lock, you have the Uniswap, the liquidity pool that's there, and then everything else is below that 5% threshold. And you see a lot within this. And as time goes on, you'll see people that are holding a decent amount that will sell some, and then other people will pick it up. And that's what the markets are all about, right? It's one person that may end up taking, let's say $1,000, push that out to the liquidity pool. The liquidity pool now, like people are buying against that, and you see 4 people that pick that up. Then you see those same 4 people that push that out, and you see 8 people that pick it up. So you're going to see, a gathering of more and more holders within the positions. That's what, investing into anything really is all about. The more holders you have, the more strength that you actually have. So you'll end up seeing that in the end. But Lucky's Lepercoin, if we go to the website here, and just break that down a little bit. I do want to maybe go into Token Sniffer as well. If we go on the website, this is, an ERC20 token. They have, it's all about the kind of the luck and what we're trying to gain, right? Within a meme coin, you try and invest in a ton of different plays that could potentially blow up. And we're all looking for that that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. And I feel like that's what Lucky's Lepercoin could provide. And it's a big deal, right? It's something that I feel like is memeability or is memeable. And I've seen the memes that have gone across. If you guys want to purchase it, it has different exchanges that they are available on, but they are lower tier exchanges. You're seeing 2bit, you're seeing Bit Economy Exchange, Coinstore, Tokepi. They're also on Coinin. So they have various exchanges. It's just not high ticket volume exchanges, right? You want to see it on an MEXC. You want to see it on a Gate.io. You want to see it on a KuCoin, a Binance, a Kraken, a Crypto.com exchange, whatever. You want to see it on those platforms, because when you do see it on those platforms, then that's when you start to see, a ton of volume, you start to see a ton of traction. But if we look at the chart and where this has gone, where this was right now, again, it's up 21% in the last day. But if we look at the last 7 days, it is down about 3%. We look at the last month, we're seeing it about, I would say it's about flat, but it's up 42% in the last month. If we look at the last year, it's still up 442% in the last year. And we saw this go from like an $80,000 market cap up to about a $1.6, $1.7 million market cap. So it has a lot of room for growth and a lot of potential to really run. So if you guys want to purchase this, you can easily purchase it on Uniswap if you want to. You can purchase it on any of these platforms to where you guys, maybe have a cheaper fee instead of doing it on chain, where you have, depending on what the gas fees are, it could be like $7, it could be $70. You never know what that case will be. But I think this will be a big play. I will continue to talk about it because I like what they're doing. I want to be a part of something that's going to go from an $80,000 market cap to maybe a $10 or $100 million market cap. That would be absolutely phenomenal. But, I know that it's a struggle, because when you are a crypto company or a crypto project that has so much, like, it's so legit, it has a 100 out of 100 sniff score. When you see that, that they care about the security, they care about the investors rather than, caring about just their own pockets. And that's something that definitely is kind of unique. It's definitely, original there. I feel like it's something that you don't typically see. Like if I go over to Token Sniffer and I look at their sniff score, 100 out of 100. Like they have no tax associated with it, so they can't really build the marketing that they want to build and put the money towards it. Because if you see $1 million in volume and you can find a way to get listed on Coinbase, go for it. I'm sure they would be hyped to be able to go for that. But the issue is that, you can't really do that without that tax. So you need the volume to happen within it. You need the organic volume to happen within it. And you just spend the money accordingly as time goes on. So we're looking for free listings. If there are any exchanges that are out there that want to do any type of free listings, feel free to. Obviously, we want to make sure we vet the exchange before you just give your coins over to the exchange. But yeah, I think it will be big. It will be huge, and they will continue to fight to try and get more and more exchanges on board, more and more volume on board. And we will see a lot of different positive things. Again, ownership renounced. You can't change anything. You got tokens that are locked, adequate liquidity, initial liquidity as well. So you guys check it out for yourself. I'll provide some links for Lucky's Lepercoin down below, as well as, maybe a place where you can purchase it. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Guys, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.